This is TPC SAT Quick Tip number 32. We're in Practice Test 5, Module 1, Item 27. So we're given a function g of x, and we're looking for a value of g of 7 minus w so that it comes out to be 0, where w is a constant. So first thing we're going to do is type in the function g of x. Next, we're going to type in g of 7 minus w. Click W to add slider. Now on the graph, you're looking for points on the x-axis where the graph will cross, because that will be the value 0. So you'll see this value is -6, but unfortunately if you put in a w of -6, that is not going to work. And that's because you have 7 minus -6. So what you'll do is you'll put in a 13, and that will give you a value of 0. So to remember that, go ahead and just type a 13 in the one below. Okay, the next value is 0, so 7 minus 0 would be 7. So notice it says 0, so we are going to use 7. And then the last value was 2. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So notice I put in a 5 and it came out as 0. So the sum of all possible solutions, there's only 3 of these, is 25. So the answer to the question is 25.